Mental health might not be the most glamorous topic out there, but it's one of the most important ones we could discuss. After all, mental health affects all of us in one way or another, whether we're dealing with stress, anxiety, or phobias, or supporting a loved one who's struggling with a mental health condition. So what is mental health, exactly? In a nutshell, mental health refers to the state of our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It encompasses everything from our ability to handle stress and emotions, to our relationships with others, to our overall sense of purpose and fulfillment in life. Unfortunately, mental health issues are all too common in today's fast-paced, high-stress world. From work-related stress to relationship problems to the isolation and anxiety brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, there are countless factors that can impact our mental health and well-being. Some of the most common mental health conditions include stress, anxiety, and even phobias. Stress is a normal part of life, but when it becomes chronic or overwhelming, it can take a serious toll on our mental and physical health. Symptoms of stress can include fatigue, irritability, trouble sleeping, and difficulty concentrating. Common mental health conditions include depression, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia. Depression is characterized by persistent feelings of sadness or hopelessness, while bipolar disorder involves periods of mania or hypomania as well as depression. Schizophrenia is a more severe mental health condition, characterized by disordered thinking and perception. Fortunately, there are many effective treatments available for mental health conditions, including therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes. Whether you're dealing with stress, anxiety, phobias, depression, or something more serious, it's important to seek professional help and support to address your mental health concerns. Therapy is one of the most common and effective treatments for mental health conditions. This can include talk therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, or other types of therapy aimed at addressing specific symptoms or concerns. Therapy can help you learn new coping skills, develop a better understanding of your thoughts and feelings, and find new ways to manage stress and other challenges. Medication is another common treatment for mental health conditions, particularly for conditions like depression and anxiety. There are many different types of medications available, including antidepressants, anti-anxiety medications, and mood stabilizers. It's important to work with a mental health professional to find the right medication and dosage for your specific needs. In addition to these treatments, lifestyle changes can also play a key role in supporting mental health and well-being. This might include exercise, mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga, or changes to your diet or sleep habits. By taking a holistic approach to mental health, you can help reduce stress, improve your mood, and support overall well-being. To summarize, mental health is an incredibly important topic that affects all of us in one way or another. From stress and anxiety to phobias and more serious conditions like depression or schizophrenia, there are many different mental health concerns that can impact our lives. Fortunately, there are many effective treatments available, including therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes. So if you're struggling with your mental health, don't be afraid to seek professional help and support. You're not alone, and there are many people and resources out there to help you. In fact, it's more important than ever to prioritize our mental health and well-being, given the many stressors and challenges we're all facing in our daily lives. The COVID-19 pandemic has once brought new levels of stress, anxiety, and uncertainty to our lives, and many of us are struggling to cope with the ongoing changes and disruptions to our daily routines. But even in the midst of this difficult time, there are many ways we can support our mental health and well-being. This might include practicing mindfulness or meditation, connecting with loved ones through video chats or phone calls, or seeking professional support if we're struggling with anxiety or other mental health concerns. Ultimately, the most important thing we can do for our mental health is to take it seriously and prioritize our well-being. By recognizing the signs and symptoms of mental health conditions, seeking professional support when we need it, and making positive lifestyle changes, we can all take steps to support our mental health and lead happier, more fulfilling lives.